Now iframe is used for advertising an addition of HTML document to your website, so use the tag below. Now frame border can either have value of either 1, which means on, or 0, which means off. So here I have an article that I've typed, so I'm going to add another document to use by using the iframe element. So here I'm going to use the iframe tag. So I named this Jeff Boss because this is an article on Bill Gates. So here I'm going to add the width property, and the height property also. So I'm going to add property, and the ID property also. I'm going to add the name property also. So I'm going to add the frame border also. The frame border, I'm going to add in the frame border. So the frame border can take a value of either 1 or 0. So when I put to 0, that is no border. So when it's on the website, so without no border, you can see that, so it doesn't have any border. So when I change it to 1, so it's going to add border around it. So that is how I use iframe element. Thank you for watching. Check out my playlist.